Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Garage Unfiltered. Hey, and welcome back to another video. And today, this was kind of a different video. And as you first see, the car is in my garage backwards. It's backed in. Probably caught that on the last video. But one of the things that I wanted to cover is going to start working on this side of the car. Putting my rubbers back in, on the rubber seals. And remember, I got these from Turkey right before the tariffs, and we're going to talk about tariffs here in a little bit. But I'm going to clean this up, put the sound deadener on the floor that I talked about in the last video, and then same thing with the front seat. And Yui's still chasing some wiring for the dome light, so we'll work on that, kind of clean this up a little bit, put the sound deadener on the floor, which gives a little more padding also for your feet. And then I'm going to work on the underneath side of the trunk lid, back inside underneath back there, put some sound deadener there, and kind of hopefully start getting, this car back together a little bit. It's not going to be show quality. I do need to address, painting the top surfaces and various different things, but I don't know if I want to do that yet. We'll see. We'll see what, maybe I time it just right to where, about March or April, I paint basically from body line up, including the trunk lid. I don't know, maybe even from here up. Just don't know exactly what I'm going to do there yet. If you want to suggest some things, or leave the patina like it is, put it in the comments below. I certainly appreciate your feedback. But let's talk about something a little different today. Let's talk about the director of FBI. Wanting to purchase an undisclosed number of BMW X5s and have them armored. Now, I don't know what an undisclosed number is, and I haven't heard the number. I'm going to guess 5, maybe 10. Don't know for purposes why. But the second thing, is a Chevrolet Suburban or Cadillac Escalade not good enough for you? You seem to be flying around in the FBI jet and flying your girlfriend around in the FBI jet on taxpayer dollars so that you could go hook up with her whenever you need to, or fly her to a concert or this or that. You're spending my money, dude, okay? But why do you need BMW X5s? They're not the best quality to start with. I mean, they don't have the best build quality. They're not the most reliable, but you want an undisclosed number of them, and then you want to armor them. First of all, General Motors is already armoring vehicles for the federal government. They call them Suburbans, and they're American made. So you're buying from a European car company. Oh, wait a minute. BMW stands for Bavarian Motor Works, BMW. Now, they've also not been the most reliable in the last decade, and yet you're going to buy these for the FBI. Dude, and Kash Patel, you're worthless. You're not a director of the FBI. You were appointed by the dude in the Oval Office, and you like to spin, okay? And then on top of that, we got Kristi Noem that, had to have 2 new Gulfstream jets for the Coast Guard, or had the Coast Guard buy them, but she's using one of them. Now, I know the Coast Guard needed to replace a jet because it was old and out of service or whatever, and that's okay. I get that piece of it. You got to maintain your fleet and you got to keep it up. But when you're replacing one, you don't replace one with 2. Christy, you need to go back to South Dakota and stay there, because that's really where you belong. You know, you didn't do a great job up there, but that you're out of your league in what you're doing, you know, for you know, the whatever job it is that you think you're doing, because you play dress up on, you know, for every job that you think you're a part of. But back to cash. Man, cash, you like spending the cash, but it's not your cash, it's my cash. So, folks, you know, this is what's going on. This is the reality of things. I mean, you know, we tear down the East Wing and we're going to build a ballroom, but private donors paying for that. Yeah, right. We're going to build a wall and Mexico's going to pay for it. Yeah, right. Never happened. You know, keep in mind, y'all, this is what's going on. The Conservative Party is spending money. Let's put tariffs on, which, you know, for tariffs, for the car parts that I need to buy for this, they cost 30% more. And now your tax dollars is paying 30% to 40% more for them stinking BMW X5s for the FBI, because I'm sure there's tariffs on that, because are they made in America? Half of the parts are probably not. They're probably imported. So half of that vehicle is going to have tariffs on it. That's a double-edged sword in my book. Those are just some thoughts and rants coming from Jeff, just an ordinary guy in an old garage with a gravel floor working on cars, just like, you know, when I can and when I can afford to. I don't have a lot of money. My YouTube channel isn't monetized, but I'm just saying, this is what I see, and I don't like it. Something to think about, folks. And, you know, quite frankly, it is really disturbing. This is what's going on. And a lot of you that watch YouTube videos, especially the younger generations, probably not watching the news. And maybe you are. And you're just waiting until midterms this next year. I don't know. I don't know what to tell y'all, but this is the world we live in today. Food for thought. Comments below. Hit subscribe if you haven't. Tell me what you think. Good, bad, or indifferent. I might reply to them. You know, I try and reply to most everybody that puts a comment. Sometimes I don't get there, but I do try and you know, try and make a best effort to reply. Unlike some of the other channels that have gotten so big that they don't reply. But feedback is important. Have a great day. Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Whatever language you want to put it in. You know, I hope your holidays are, you know, you can get through the holidays, and hopefully 2026 becomes a little bit better year for us. Have a great day. And again, thanks for watching.